Traveling to the Amazon can be a thrilling adventure, but packing for it? Not so much. Imagine the excitement, the anticipation, the joy of embarking on a journey to one of the world's most vibrant and diverse ecosystems. But wait, what's that? You forgot to pack your bug spray and portable water filter? Oh dear, this adventure might just become a misadventure. Picture this, a brave traveler, let's call him Jack, embarking on his dream journey to the heart of the Amazon rainforest. Jack was excited, his heart pounding with anticipation, his eyes sparkling with the thrill of adventure. But amidst all the excitement, Jack made a critical mistake. He didn't pack the essentials. Jack arrived in the Amazon, ready to immerse himself in the beauty and mystery of the rainforest. But soon, he realized his mistake. The Amazon, while breathtakingly beautiful, is also home to a variety of creatures that aren't exactly friendly. Without his bug spray, Jack became a feast for the myriad insects that call the Amazon home. His nights were spent swatting away mosquitoes, and his days were filled with the discomfort of itchy, swollen bites. And then there was the water. Jack knew that staying hydrated was essential, especially in the humid climate of the Amazon. But without a portable water filter, he found himself in a tricky situation. The water in the Amazon isn't exactly safe to drink directly, and Jack soon found himself feeling weak and dehydrated. These difficulties could have been easily avoided had Jack packed the right things. Bug spray and a portable water filter are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to must-haves for an Amazon adventure. There's also the need for lightweight but protective clothing, a good quality raincoat, sturdy waterproof boots, and let's not forget, a reliable first aid kit. So, let this tale be a reminder to you all. Adventure awaits in the Amazon, but only if you're well prepared. Don't be like Jack. Take the time to pack the essentials. Your Amazon adventure will be all the more enjoyable for it. Now, here's a thought. Why not share your own Amazon travel essentials in the comments below? What are the must-haves that you wouldn't dream of leaving behind on an Amazon adventure? Your insights might just save a future Jack from a misadventure. And who knows, you might even pick up a few handy tips for your next journey. Remember, preparation is the key to a successful adventure. So, pack wisely and let the Amazon inspire and amaze you. Safe travels, everyone!